Okay, we've got silver bouncing intraday following a retest of support at 28.75. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for silver, the daily chart for silver. And you can see how this low today, where we found support, was support over here, was support over here, was resistance over here, was resistance over here. So resistance becomes support, support, support. This could be the end of this pullback, or it just might be a retest before a bounce and then another move lower. We don't quite know yet. It is at risk because we have a lower swing high right here up at this C point. So let's take the bounce first. So we have a potential bounce above well, the market's not closed yet on Monday, but once it is closed, a rally above today's high of 29.43 signals a bullish, provides a sign of strength and a bullish signal. However, silver heads up into resistance here around the 50 moving average and the 20 moving average from 30.10 to about 30.21. So that is the first line of resistance, and there's a good chance it's going to hold this resistance because you can see how the 20 moving average has now crossed through the 50, a sign of weakness, but an initial sign of weakness. And that's the first time since way back here in early March. So that is confirming a change in the characteristics of what's going on with silver right now. Whether it follows through or not remains to be seen. So we have a bounce up into resistance, meaning it may not last too long. Alternatively, a drop through this low right here, 28.57, extends this pullback, and the pullback from the full pullback, started from this A point up here, the high in May. So if silver does drop below that support, then we're in a larger A, B, C, D pattern with an initial target down here at 27.81, an extended target down here at 26.73, and then also down here at 25.40. Okay, so that's with the ABCD pattern. Then we have the 50% retracement and the 62% retracement. Let's talk about that zone for a second, because that area of price is confirmed by the 200 moving average, previous resistance, and the 61.8% retracement. So in other words, this is a more solid potential support zone identified by multiple indicators. However, it is quite a ways down. And certainly, if silver gets down that far, it's going to be in a much more serious correction. So this is not a prediction. It's just we want to know what we're looking for when certain things happen. So if we see additional weakness, then the risk of falling all the way down there becomes a possibility. Of course, it's not going to happen overnight or immediately. So that is it for silver traders. Have a great week.